Professional help for your Walmart suspended seller account. Is your Walmart seller account suspended? Save yourself the hassle and seek expert assistance. Don't try to appeal yourself. Trust the specialists who offer a comprehensive service, including unlimited revisions and escalation. Walmart's strict standards for appeals necessitate professional guidance. The process involves a review by Walmart's team of experts. Sellers receive a warning before potential suspension, which could lead to account termination. It's crucial to appeal effectively to reinstate your account. Remember, after Walmart revokes the suspension, you're required to strictly enhance your ODR to avoid future violations. Compliance with Walmart's marketplace standards is essential for sustained success. If you're facing a Walmart suspension, take action now. Contact Amazon Sellers.attorney for a free consultation and expert assistance in reinstating your seller account. Get a free consultation today.